here are the parts that you're gonna need. I'll be posting them in the description below. So first things first, using the using a saw, cut down the secondary line. You don't need that. So after this one, you're gonna cut this open, or basically remove all those secondary. So here it is without the copper wires. What's remaining is the primary line. Alright, so here it is. I put the 10 millimeter wires. Here's the diagram. So this is assembly ready. I have it all assembled with all the parts that I need, and this is the final template. I put it on this is the fixed template already. Okay, and for the last part will be the testing. Okay, what's good about this is it really has a strong weld. You can see later on, I'm gonna show it. Alright, here it is. As you can see, yeah, it has really strong weld. Just having a hard time pulling it out here. Alright, so for now, thank you all for watching.